Are you struggling to understand the perfect tense in German? Does the formation of the perfect tense also give you headaches, and do you sometimes get frustrated to the point of exhaustion about how hard it is to learn these things? Don't worry, we'll shed some light on this. The so-called perfect tense is nothing other than a view of the past tense that describes actions which are completely finished in the past. Imagine you would be able to have a look back in time. Everything you see is already finished in the present. Who says that German grammar is boring? Come on, we can even time travel. For example, I have learned German. It means that I've learned German in the past and I have finished my studies. This perfect form consists of two components. These are called the auxiliary verb and past participle. Thank goodness there are only two auxiliary verbs, namely to be and to have. We need the auxiliary verb to be when the verb indicates movement. For example, to go, to drive, to fly, to swim. On the other hand, we need the verb to have when a form of work involving the hands is indicated. For example, to read, to write, to cook, to work. Let's do a simple exercise together now. I will give you an infinitive verb, and you need to decide whether this verb requires the auxiliary verb, to be, or to have, in the perfect tense. It's easy as flipping a coin. Boxing. Running. Kissing. Hiking. So now we know when to use which auxiliary verb. But how do we form the past participle? Because only with the past participle, the perfect tense is really perfect. The past participle for regular verbs is formed by removing the en endings from the infinitive verb. At the same time, we add the letters ge at the beginning of the verb. If the verb is conjugated regularly in the present tense, then it ends with at in the perfect tense. If a verb is conjugated irregularly in the present tense, the ending also changes in the perfect tense. We keep the en in its position and simply add ge at the beginning of the verb. Voila! I told you, it's easy. The perfect tense is simply the interplay between the auxiliary verb and the past participle. In sentence construction, it is important to note that the past participle always stands at the end of a sentence. And that was all the magic of the perfect tense. Of course, there are special rules, but we always take it step by step. And don't forget, we at Tristan.school are proud of you.